SPY trading, ETF trading. One common reference to SPY trading relates to trading the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, SPY, which is one of the most popular exchange-traded funds, ETFs. What is SPY? SPY is an ETF that tracks the S&P 500 index, which includes 500 of the largest publicly traded U.S. companies. Why trade SPY? Liquidity. SPY is very actively traded, making it easy to buy and sell. Diversification. It gives traders exposure to a broad market index instead of individual stocks, options, and derivatives. Many traders use SPY options to hedge positions or speculate on market movements. Strategies in SPY trading. Day trading. Buy and sell SPY within the same day to profit from short-term price movements. Swing trading. Hold SPY for a few days or weeks, aiming to profit from medium-term price changes. Options. Trading. Trade SPY options for leverage or to protect other investments. 2. SPY trading as insider trading. Illegal practice. Another meaning of SPY trading could involve insider trading, which is illegal and unethical. What is insider trading? Trading stocks or securities based on non-public material information about a company. Examples of insider trading. A company executive buys stock before a big earnings announcement. A government official shares confidential regulatory decisions with a trader. Consequences of insider trading. Fines. Massive penalties from regulators, like the SEC in the US. Jail time. Traders caught using insider information can face criminal charges. Reputation damage. Individuals and companies involved may lose credibility. 3. Market spying and sentiment analysis. In a more general sense, SPY trading could also refer to monitoring market data, social sentiment, or competitor moves to inform trading decisions. Techniques used: news monitoring, using algorithms to scan headlines for impactful events, social sentiment tools, analyzing Twitter, Reddit, or trading forums for market sentiment. Whale watching, tracking large trades by institutional investors. Is it legal? Yes. As long as traders use publicly available data, these practices are legal. 40.